Boy charged with ammunition found in school bag. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A St. Elizabeth teen is set to answer to charges under the Firearms Act after he was charged on Tuesday following the seizure of ammunition allegedly found in his school bag. The teen, who is said to be 16 years old, was arrested last Thursday when a 9mm round of ammunition was found in his school bag during a security check. He was charged on Tuesday after being interviewed in the presence of his attorney and parents, the police said in a release. He is expected to answer to charges of illegal possession of ammunition in the St. Elizabeth. He is expected to answer to charges of illegal possession of ammunition in the St. Elizabeth Family Court. He is expected to answer to charge of illegal possession of ammunition in the St. Elizabeth Court. He is expected to answer to charge of illegal possession of ammunition in the St. Elizabeth Family Court on June 27. Links 007 TV will track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.